So hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing a detailed review of the Dominar 400 BS6 Aurora Green. You know why I'm laughing, because it's one of my favorite bikes that I'm going to do the review, and I like this bike personally very much. So without wasting much of a time, let's get started. So coming directly to the engine specification of this bike has a liquid cooled 4-valve single cylinder DOHC fuel injected 373.3cc engine that produces a max power of 40 PS at the rate 8800 rpm and a max torque of 35 Newton meter at the rate 6500 rpm. So coming next to the wheels, it has got 17-inch alloy wheel on both the sides, the front as well as the rear. The tires are tubeless. In front it has got 110 by 70 section tubeless tire, and on the rear it has got 150 by 60 section tubeless tire. 150 section, it's huge, I'd say, for a single cylinder motorcycle. Next I'll come to the brakes. In front it has got 320 mm disc, and on the rear it has got a 230 mm disc, and this bike has got dual channel ABS. Coming to the fuel tank capacity of this bike has got a 13 liters fuel tank, and you can roughly get a mileage of around 27 kmpl on this bike. So if you ask me the tank range of this motorcycle, then I'd say that it will return you around 300 to 330 kilometers per tank. So that's quite okay for a 400cc engine motorcycle. So the console is also quite advanced, but I have one issue with this. Here it indicates the gear position indicator and the other meters like the odometer and trip meter. When you're riding, you're in this kind of a position, so you don't look quite often on this console. You take your eyes on this, not on this much of a lot. Yeah, sometimes when you are standing, then you get to look on this. And that was regarding, and the console is this is the RPM limit, and when you press the engine kill switch on, it shows you that the side stand is there. You get the neutral indicator, then it has got time and many other stuff. Here it's got the ABS light, neutral, engine. So the mirrors are quite strong right now. It has been improved from the previous gen models, and Bajaj has given a USD forks, that is upside down forks, and the texture is also quite nice, man. I haven't noticed this before, but it's quite nice. This is the ABS wear. That's all. Now I'll do a quick first ride review of this bike. And one thing, I'll also make you hear the exhaust note, the sweet sounding exhaust note of this bike. Isn't that nice, right? Oh my god, the power was immense. Oh my god, what a motorcycle. My hands are shivering literally right now. Oh my god, what a bike. So talking about the seating position of this bike, it means your riding position is quite upright and the tank is very huge. Okay, so at first when you sit, it will make you feel like you have to lean, but you don't actually have to lean. You can just sit upright and grab the handlebars like this. Okay, so the seating is also quite right. Now talking about the cushioning of the seat is also quite well cushioned. I think the quality of seat have improved from the previous generation models. The color is also quite attractive. This color, this bike comes in two color variants, means the 400cc variant. One is Aurora green and another is dark black. I don't know the exact name of the color, but it's black, full total black. The comfort of this bike is also improved. The hydraulic in front is on the stiffer side a bit, and on the rear the monoshock suspension is also quite stiff. That's okay for a sports bike. This is not actually a sports bike, it's actually a sports tourer. You can easily tour on this bike, and the power, the torque that you get on this motorcycle, it makes you ride quite easy and comfortable. Okay, the huge tires, 110 section tire on the front and the 150 section rear tire gives you more stability at high speeds. Like just now I was riding this bike at a speed of 145 kmph, and there was no kind of a, you can say, instability that I felt while riding it. Okay, so talking about the vibration of this bike doesn't vibrate much of a lot. The handlebars are also quite big, and yeah, in case if you're riding this bike above 9,000 or 10,000 rpm, then you get to feel a little bit of vibration on the handlebar and a bit on the foot pegs. So that's what you usually feel, a little bit on the seat, but that's very minimal. So coming to the lighting of this bike, this bike is filled with LED setups. There is no sign of halogen on this motorcycle. The headlight is LED, the backlight is LED, the indicators are LED. So that's very good of this bike. The weight of this bike is 187 curb weight. Let me see how far it gets in the first gear. It also, by the way, it also got a slipper clutch, so you don't have to worry about downshifting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's that's huge. That was touching 53 or something like that, above that obviously. I stopped that, so it stopped at 53. The bike is priced at 2,47,000 on road in Kolkata. So I'd say the pricing of this bike is quite competitive compared to its rivals, like 400cc rivals like the KTM Duke 390, then comes the Himalayan, then comes the 390 Adventure, RC 390. So compared to that, this bike is quite competitively priced. Yeah, the Himalayan is quite 10,000 rupees less than this, but there are much less stuffs present on that bike. But this bike is, I'd say this is an all-rounder. Okay, the Duke 390 is almost 50,000 expensive than this, and the 390 ADV is priced at rupees 1 lakh more than this. So compared to that, and the features also quite some. This is also liquid cooled. This is also liquid cooled. 6-speed gearbox, 6-speed gearbox, slipper clutch. So all the things are quite same. 400cc, but still it is placed at such a high price point, just because of the looks and design and the KTM logo. But this bike is very well competitively priced, and it's just like an all-rounder, you can say. And I like personally this bike a lot. So that was just a short review of the bike. My friends are waiting over here. I'll just park the bike and I'll get in. That's all for the review. I hope you like it.